Find ourselves very worried about our Karen people in the 5th Brigade. It's a very challenging time for Cthulhu and for Karen around the world. Now is the time we must rise up and be at our best like never before. We must pray for the leaders in Cthulhu that God would give them wisdom and courage to stand strong in the face of the threats that present themselves. The corrupt and brutal Burma army continues to commit human rights violations by entering into Karen-controlled areas to repair a road that will allow them to gain quicker access to further violate the human rights of the Karen people. This is occurring in 5th Brigade. I ask you to pray for our Power Mentor team as well, as they are in there right now assessing the area for needs so that we can provide resources to those that need it most. For Karen people around the world, your voice matters. I encourage you all, every person must do what they can to contact their government representatives to request that they intervene and put pressure on the Burma army to stop this incursion. In addition, Karen and Cthulhu are planning a prayer vigil on March 19, 2018 to stand up for themselves. They have asked Karen people around the world to do the same. This must be done to maximize its impact. I encourage Karen communities around the world to plan an event on March 19th. Send out a press release and have the event at your city hall or your congressional office in your area. I will create a template for a press release that you can use to send out to your local press to try to get coverage. For Karen that have large number of employees at your company, encourage your boss to contact their congressional representative to stand up for the Karen people. In addition, find time to talk about this issue everywhere you go and spread the word. We need to have a worldwide coalition of people to stand with the Karen and other ethnic nationalities that are also under attack. Lastly, we are currently planning Karen Day in D.C. for 2018. We are waiting for the best date so that political leaders will be present in Washington on that day. Right now it is looking like June, and I will let you know when we have a confirmed date. For those that participated in 2017, you remember the amazing feeling of almost 10,000 Karen people standing together. Many of you have expressed that you wish you could have come but did not, and now this is your chance for 2018. Last year we were at the steps to the U.S. Capitol building, but this time we'll be in front of the White House. I know that many feel discouraged, and this is a tough time for all of us. But now more than ever, our Karen people in Cthulhu need us to stand up for them with courage, strength, and have impact on this issue. I thank God for the Karen people around the world that are amazing, and know the world loves you all. And you have been a gift to this world, and you never stand alone. God bless you all, and this must be our call to action. Let's rise up and act now for our Karen people in Cthulhu.